Hey everyone, welcome back. If the security error in the TD Bank app appear, this error is usually when the app detects unusual activity or settings conflicts. So here's how to fix them. First, make sure that your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Go to settings, then go to general, then scroll down and go to date and time and make sure that it is set to automatically. After that, go ahead and disable VPN screen or screen recorders or modify system settings. After that, log out of the TD Bank app and log back in. Next, head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank app, and then make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If not, update it because updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Once resolved, the bank app should open without security warnings, and that's it. Subscribe for more